What is a variable? A variable is like a box where you can store a value, such as a number, word, or phrase. For example, if you want to save some information about a person, like his age and location, you can use two boxes, one for the age and one for the location. You also need to give names to these boxes. For example, since one box stores the age, you can name it age. The other box used for the location, it can be named location. In Go, you also need to assign a type to each variable because Go is a statically typed language. This means the type of the value stored in a variable must be defined when you create it. In this lesson, we will discuss 4 basic types in Go. So, integer, float, string, and boolean. Integer is a whole number. Float is a number with decimal points. For example, 5.6, 7.8, and so on. String is used for storing words, sentences, or any text. Examples, hello, Go programming, and so on. A boolean can have only 2 values, true or false. Let's go back to our file. Remember this line from the previous video, fmt println hello world. This simply prints what's inside the parentheses. Now let's create some variables. Var name string. This is how you declare a variable in Go. Var is the keyword to declare a variable, name is the name of the variable, string is its type. It is highlighted in red because we are not using it, just ignore it for now. To assign a value to the variable with the name, say Musa. Since the variable name is a string, its value must be in quotes. You can also assign a value at the time of declaring the variable, like this. Since the type of the variable can be inferred from its value, you can omit the type, like this. Go automatically detects the name is a string. Let's create a few more variables. Var location, skip, var age 26, var is he at work, true. Here location is a string, age is an integer, is he at work is boolean. Let's print the variables to the console. Name. And run the file. Here you see Musa Bishkek 26 true. Now let's do some arithmetic. For example, if a man is 27 years old this year, we can calculate the year he was born. Let's comment this out. Let's change this one, age to 27. Current year 2025. Year born should be current year minus age. Let's change it to this year age. And let's print it out. It's 1998. Go supports various arithmetic operators, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. However, arithmetic operators cannot be performed between two different types. For example, you cannot add a float 1.1 to an integer 5. Let's see what happens. Let's see. num1, let it be 1.1 or num2 5. Let's see what will happen if t. Just copy it, comment this out, num1 plus num2. Run the program, and we got an error: mismatched types, float and integer. I encourage you to explore data types and play around with variables and arithmetic operations. Learning by experimenting is the best way to understand programming, so good luck.